In front of me is OSCAL C20 PRO, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Sound Recorder and tapping on this gear on the left to operate all of those options however you want to. Then go back and click on red button to begin recording. To pause it or unpause it, use the same one. To add a bookmark, unpause your recording and click on the left one. To end it and save it, on the right one. Then when recording is off, use this right button with 3 lines to access list of all your recordings. Then to play one, click on it. To manage it, hold it, click on those 3 dots at the top right corner and, for example, rename it. Hit save at the bottom right corner of your pop-up. And to get rid of it, just tap on bin icon next to 3 dots. Hit allow and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!